my name's Kai, and today I'm going to be showing you how to solve the void cube. I think this is a really collector's item puzzle because it has no center, and I think it's really cool to show off, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to solve it. Enjoy! Let's get started. Alright, so first things first, you're going to want to learn how to solve the 3x3 before you learn how to solve this void cube. Oh, you can see me in there. But you're going to learn how to solve the 3x3 first because there's a lot of 3x3 algorithms in this that you might want to know before you get into this, so you can watch my video on that. So let's get into it. So first, you're just going to start in any center because, well, there is none. So we're just going to put up our edges, and you can look at another cube for a reference on what the color scheme is for the cube. So I'm just going off by memory, but you can look at it like another cube or search it up online on what the cube color scheme is. Like here, this is the color scheme. And then we just want to put in the corners along with our edges. Again, we just don't worry about the centers because, like I said, there is none. There are none, I meant. So, I think this one. Okay. And then you just do that to all of the edges or corners like you would on a normal 3x3. Alright, and then what you want to do is if you have like an edge that you can match up, which I don't, you can match it up. Like if this was flipped, I could put it here, but it's not. So here I'm just going to turn this as much as I want. It doesn't really matter because there is no centers. So I'm just going to put this one down here using the same algorithms I would with a 3x3. And hold on. You just do that with all of the edges, the same as I explained in my 3x3 video. Again, if you don't know how to solve a 3x3, you should go watch my video on it, so you could get a little bit more algorithms on this. And then once you get done with all of these, we will move on to a cross, except it's not really a cross, it's just 4 dots because there is no center. So let's just start off by doing that. Alright, and then we want to do the same things, just match up our edges. Here I have only 2 matched up, so I can do the algorithm 2 times. Again, these are all 3x3 algorithms. Haven't gotten into one of the parities yet. Now here we can see when we're trying to match up our pieces, this one's correct and this one's correct, which is weird that these two are flipped. Like everything's fine and these two are flipped. So what we need to do is we're gonna hold it with a yellow on top and any side facing you. And you're going to do this algorithm, M inverse U. So if you don't, by the way, if you don't know what the M move is, it's just moving this middle slice. M would be down and N inverse would be up. So M inverse U, M inverse, U inverse, M, U inverse, M, U2, M inverse. Now, our imaginary centers have been solved. So now, you might notice that your whole top is screwed up, so we'll just go ahead and fix that. So, just like that, and now we move on. And as you go on, you won't have any more parities if you did the algorithm right. You won't have any more weird cases like that. Like here I can swap all of these, so like this. Then here I wanna use it like that. And do it again. And now we just need to orient the corners. Orient it like so. And now just the last move, and we're done with our void cube. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And once you subscribe, you can hit the notify icon so you can get notified when more of my videos come out, so you'll learn how to solve more puzzles. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.